Okay guys, so as you can see, this combination switch is broken. This controls the headlights as well as the turn signals. So we need to replace it, and here's our new part right here. So the first thing you need to do is pull the share all the way back if it's not already, because you need as much room as possible. And there's 3 bolts or screws down here that we need to take off. I don't know if you can see it. Got one there, another one there, and another one there. So take those off first so that this plastic cover loosens up and we can take it off to access the switch. Okay guys, now that we have taken off these 3 screws here, as you can see, this is loose now. Now we need to release these tabs that are holding both of these pieces together. So we're gonna get these door panel clip releases. This is a good way so you won't scratch the plastic, because if you use a metal screwdriver, you can run the risk of scratching this part of the plastic, and the customer is not going to be happy. So we're going to pry those open first. You should just be able to stick this in there and just pry it open as so, like that. You do the same to the other side. Once you release this side, this should just come out. If you just pull it, and make sure you don't pull it too hard, just pull it and it should come out as so. Now we have access to the electrical components in the steering column here. Though all we're worried about is this combination switch here. Okay guys, you know, if you can take the switch out, as you can see, there's some tabs right here, there, and in the bottom. So if you can see it right there. I'm gonna show you the new one, how you have those tabs. There's a tab there and a tab here that you just basically push and it comes out, and you just slide it in and it should just click in place. So if you can access those without moving this bottom piece or taking it out, you can do so. Or if you want to take that bottom piece out, all you would have to do is just scoot the steering wheel up and just take the bottom piece out, and so, or you can just move it out the way like that. You don't have to take it out completely, just move it out the way. Now you have access to those clips here. You have one, you have another one there. So just take screws and just push those tabs and that should pull out, okay? But before we do that, make sure you take the electrical connectors that connect to this combination switch. You push this tab, and then you get a screwdriver, and then you release this tab, black tab here, and they should come out. Okay guys, now that those electrical connectors are taken out, I couldn't really show you how I took this one out, you know, because I'm holding the camera as well as trying to take it out. So you need both your hands so you can, you know, pull the plug out as well as hold the pin out. So they're both out. Now it's time to take the combination switch out. Okay, to take out the combination switch, you're gonna need 2 hands as well. So I'm just gonna tell you what to do, because I can't really show you because I'm holding the camera. You got that clip there, and that clip in the bottom, just like I showed you in the new one. One right here, another one right here. You would have to push those as so, and it should come out. Alrighty, as you can see, I'm able to pull it out now. I released those 2 clips on the top and the bottom. If I was to push it in, you know, with more force, I should be able to click it back in place, as you can see right there. But I just wanted to show you that it does slide out as so, and goes back in. So so it just comes out. Okay, here's the new one once again. Make sure you put it as so, because the connectors are on the side where the instrumental cluster is. So just push it as so. Okay, you see? Now push it, make sure you push it until those clips go into that hole right there. They clip on so you can hold it in place. You see how I made that clip? Now it's not going anywhere, and we've installed it. Now put the connections back in place. The small one on top and the longer one in the bottom. Okay, now that we have the combination switch put on and the connectors put on, just put this back to where it needs to be. As you can see, there's this dip here that goes with this. Remember, this comes in and out, so put it in first. Put this other one on the top. Okay, clip them together. Then you put those screws back down here. Make sure when you're installing the plastic covers back, you see this kind of guide there. Make sure that goes in there. Okay, that's gonna guide the whole piece to just sit on every part of that it sits on. Just make sure you have it on guide there. You see? Make sure you put it in there, and on the other side as well, and then just, you know, wiggle it down until you clip both of them together. And then put the screws.